My name is Jessica, I'm 35 years old. I've always been a big believer in living your best life and taking care of yourself. My friends would probably describe me as a life lover, as I'm always the one making travel plans, gym dates, wine nights, all the fun stuff. And when it comes to my appearance, I love trying new things.
Submental fat is the fullness that can appear under the chin, the dreaded double chin. It appears on both men and women and can occur because of aging, genetics, family history, and weight gain.
I've always kind of noticed it, but definitely more so once I turned 30. It started to fill in a bit more. A little bit of weight gain over the years, and I'm getting a little bit older. I'm not the youthful 25 that I tell people I am, so it's a little bit of genetics, maybe a little bit of age, weight gain, and it made me a little more self-conscious of that area.
Health Canada has just approved the first non-surgical injectable treatment to deal with submental fat or the double chin. The product is named Belkyra, and it's made up of deoxycholic acid, which is a naturally occurring chemical made by the gallbladder to emulsify or break down dietary fat.
I was really excited when I first heard about Belkyra because I didn't think my issue was severe enough to warrant surgery. I didn't want to go under the knife, so I was excited to see a less invasive way to deal with the fullness under my chin.
To assess who's the ideal candidate, we really need that personalized consult to assess the patient and truly understand her goals. So Jessica, nice to see you again. Are you looking forward to your third Belkyra treatment?
Absolutely.
So am I. I'm really looking forward to seeing your final results. What have you thought of your results to date?
I think it's been great. I've seen a reduction of the fat pad under my chin and some more contouring in my jawline.
I really see that too. I think with a third treatment, you'll really be at your goal in a smoother, more contoured lower face and chin. Belkyra is treated over a series of treatments, typically 2 to 3, spread out over 4 to 6 weeks. It involves small injections using tiny needles, targeting the fat pad under the chin, located just under the skin.
It was pretty easy. I was in and out quickly. Probably the appointment lasted about half hour, 45 minutes. The injection, it's a little bit painful, but it's definitely bearable. It's not that bad. Not enough to scare me away from it since I've had 2 treatments so far. I did experience a little bit of swelling at the time. It lasted only about maybe 3 or 4 days and it went down right away. And downtime was very short, so I was back to my regular activity. That night I went to a basketball game and was able to work out the next day. So yeah, everything was great.
We recommend that the patients follow up with us at the 4 to 6 week mark to best assess the results, and at that point decide whether subsequent treatments are needed.
So I just had my final Belkyra treatment. Can't wait to see my final results. Double chin be gone. I've noticed a difference. My friends have noticed a difference, and it's yeah, I can able to take profile photos now. I don't mind when people tag me on Facebook. So it's exciting. I tell everyone it's a great product. I've told all my friends about it already as well, and it's definitely a game-changing product.